Hi guys, in this quick video I will show you how to sign out of YouTube account. That it will be helpful if you are in the internet cafe or someone will use your computer just to be safe to log out. Okay, just you need to go to your YouTube account and then click in the profile icon and just here sign out. Just click here. It's already signed out now. Yeah, this is what you need to do. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. And if you have any questions, any idea, just you can leave them in the comment below. Thank you and see you.